Hey everyone, I'm from Maine out here again. Hey, the blizzard's really starting to get going. It's almost taking my breath away just talking about it right now. Look, we're gonna walk right out on Washington Street out here in Sanford, Maine right now, and I'll give you a few looks around town a little bit right now, but check this out already. I don't know if you can see all this, but it's coming in waves. Everything's in like waves because of the wind. The wind is pretty impressive right now. Blowing everywhere, blowing and drifting snow. It's around 9:30 at night. The wind is just blowing so hard it's cleaning off part of the sidewalk here. Look at tornadoes of snow all around me. This is just, the winds are gusting now to probably about 20, maybe more. Taking a snow shower. Excuse me, I'm losing my breath here. It's like taking a snow shower, but I had to do it just once. Let's go for a little bit. I'll show you some more pictures shortly. Hang on. Be cool. It's an eerie sight. Downtown Sanford, Maine. We're in a blizzard. You guys can't see it half as good as it looks. I'll try to stand still for a minute so you can see the wind whipping by me. I'm standing in the middle of the road. This is awesome. This is the way storms should be meant to be seen. It's a pretty eerie feeling. Get down lower to the ground, you can see the snow blowing right at me. This is pretty wild. Alright, I'll see you again in a little while. Right, this is great. I'm walking in the middle of Main Street in Sanford, Maine during a blizzard. Everything's all covered in snow. I get the whole place myself. There's the green lights over there. It's Friday night, it's about 9:30. So it's about 9 degrees out here too. 9:39 according to the clock over here at Shaw's Hardware. Tonight. It's getting pretty cold. 9:38 tonight. The wind is fierce tonight. It's whipping by me here. You can see the snow just blowing by sideways. Blow by. Anyway, there's another quick little view. I'll let you go. I'll be back with some more good views. Just a short time. Hang in there. Wow, it's quite the blizzard now. Yeah, it's almost probably 9:45 now or so. I'm out here in the heart of the blizzard now. I'm the only one that's walked in this park tonight. You can see this park all around me. Those are my footprints coming in. Nobody's been out here yet. The winds have really picked up. So the flags out there pretty much straight out there now. Anyway, I'm going to go in for a little while, but I'll show you some of these videos. And hey, I'll still come back out in the middle of the night when we get a little bit deeper out here. I'd say right now we're about 8 or 9 inches deep now. It's just light fluffy snow. But hey, I'll let you guys go and I'll talk to you later. Bye now.